Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BWEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first area of support is what I would call the ideal area. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $2.90. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.90, I am not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the bulls can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this little miniature consolidation point right there at $2.70. So $2.90, $2.70, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way of gauging the strength of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the line as time unfolds, then the bulls are in full health. The price is in full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 290, that would definitely be the best case. But from the grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not going to touch on any of that because after such a big move today, top priority in my mind is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. Top priority right now is going through some healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher consolidations are built, higher lows are built, everything else will take care of itself in the long run, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows, and then you can just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.